all, welcome to my YouTube channel NS Accounting Tutorial. In the last video, we learned the meaning of consignment and some of the important terms in consignment. In this video, we will learn the journal entries for consignment accounts and then we can easily prepare the consignment accounts based on the journal entries. Let's get into the sum. Here is the question. V of Vikarabad consigned goods value of rupees 50,000 to S of Secunderabad. Here V means consignor and S means consignee. We paid transport charges rupees 4,000 and drew a bill of 2 months on S for 30,000 as advance. This bill was discounted with the banker for rupees 29,500. S sent the account sales of consignment stating that the entire stock was sold for rupees 72,000. Cartage rupees 2,000, commission rupees 3,000 and bank draft for the balance. Prepare account sales and write journal entries in the books of both the parties. So here first we have to write first entry will be when goods sent on consignment. The entry is consignment account data to goods sent on consignment account. The narration will be in the goods sent on consignment. The amount is rupees 50,000. Next entry we will have for consignor expenses. Here consignor is V. We paid transport charges rupees 4,000. We have to write here consignment account data to bank or cash account. Here narration will be in the expenses spent by the consignor for sending the goods. Amount is rupees 4,000. Next we have advance received for the consignee. Advance received from the consignee. Here consignor drew a bill of 2 months on S. S here means consignee for rupees 30,000. we have to write here bills receivable or cash or bank account data to consignee account. Here narration will be being a bill or bank draft received from the consignee as an advance. Here amount is rupees 30,000. Next we have when expenses are spent by consignee. Here we have the consignee's expenses, cartage or carriage rupees 2000. The entry will be consignment account data to consignee account. Narration being the expenses spent by consignee. Okay, the amount is rupees 2000. Next we have sales made by the consignee. He made the entire stock rupees 72,000. The entry will be consignee account data to consignment account. Narration will be being sales made by consignee as mentioned in account sales. The amount is rupees 72,000. Next entry we have for commission received by the consignee from the consignor. He received 3,000 commission. The entry will be Consignment account data to consignee account. Narration will be being commission on sales payable to the consignee. Amount is rupees 3000. Okay. Next we have closing of goods sent on consignment account transfer. The entry will be goods sent on consignment account data to trading or purchases account. Narration will be being goods sent on consignment account closed. The amount is rupees 50,000. We opened here the consignment account, goods sent on consignment account. Here we are closing the goods sent on consignment account. Next entry we have entry for the profit and loss account on consignment. After doing the entire sum, you will get to know the if we got a profit on consignment or loss on consignment. The entry will be first we will take for the profit. Consignment account data to profit and loss account. Profit or loss account. Here narration will be being profit on consignment transferred. The amount is rupees 13,000. You will get to know how the 13,000 was come. Okay, if the consignment account was in the loss, the above entry should be reversed. Okay, the entry will be profit or loss, account data to consignment account. Narration will be bill loss on consignment account. Bill loss on consignment transferred. The amount will be nil because we got profit. Okay, we have here last entry. If balance amount received from the consignee after doing this entire sum, we will get the balance amount. The entry will be cash or bank account data to consignee account. Narration will be in the amount due from consignee received. And the amount is rupees 37,000. After doing the sum, we will do some calculations. Then we will get to know if consignment account is in the profit or loss and how much we are getting from consignee. Okay, I hope you got the journal entries. Based on this, we will do the consignment accounts. It is same like ledger posting. Okay, thank you for watching the video. I will provide the link in the description box.